In the United States, once you reach the age of 18, you are considered an adult. You can vote, move out of your parents' home, enlist in the army, and can also be charged as an adult in court. Yet you cannot legally consume alcoholic beverages. According to the minimum legal drinking age at procon.org, 18 is the age of adulthood in the United States, and adults should have the right to make their own decisions about alcoholic consumption. The purpose of my speech is to persuade you as to why lowering the minimum legal drinking age from 21 to 18 is a good decision. I will do this by talking about the social advantages of the lower drinking age and how it can increase safety, as well as how the United States age compares to those of other countries. I would like to point out that the statistics in my speech do not apply to every individual. First, I would like to start off about how lowering the drinking age to 18 will help increase safety. The biggest concern with a lower drinking age is that it will increase the number of drunk driving accidents. But according to procon.org, the decrease in drunk driving fatalities in the United States does not correlate with the minimum legal drinking age. Studies done in 1971, when the Canadian drinking age went down to 18, show a 4% increase of alcoholic-related accidents from 16 to 19-year-olds. At 10%, it is still the lowest group to the 55 to 64-year-olds who stand at 7%. The study done by Schmidt and Kornzak-Zowski show that most alcohol-related accidents occur in drivers who were previously legal to drink, specifically 25 to 34-year-olds. By allowing 18 to 20-year-olds to drink alcohol in regulated environments with supervision would decrease unsafe drinking activity. Having the minimum legal drinking age at 21 is largely ineffective because the majority of teens continued to consume alcohol. According to procon.org, there are many social advantages of a lower drinking age that can also be considered ways to increase safety. A major social advantage that of a lower age would bring is the diminishing of the thrill of breaking the law to drink and stopping the promotion of general disrespect with other areas of the law. Also, with a younger legal age, 18-year-olds can publicly drink in safe environments. This will hopefully help to encourage smarter, safer drinking decisions. Studies done by Schmidt and Kornzak-Zowski show that the underage and newly legal drinkers consume more alcohol at once than those who have been legal to consume it for many years. The biggest argument presented for this topic is how the United States' age compares on a global standpoint. Professor D.J. Hansen presented a chart in his article, Minimum Legal Drinking Ages Around the World, that show the U.S. is one of 7 countries with the highest drinking age of 21. The majority of countries have a set drinking age at 18. In 50 countries, the minimum age is lower than 18, and in 12 countries, it is higher than 18. The global average is as low as 16 years old. Our drinking age was similar to the rest of the world's until the Drinking Act of 1984 was passed that changed the age to 21. What is different in these places that allow them to have such low drinking ages, if one at all? Do their brains develop faster? No, they are just brought up with different views on alcohol, and I think that is to their advantage. If alcohol consumption was allowed to our young adults, they might not get such a thrill from it, and that it would help them see the risk it can bring, and that can essentially lead to smarter decisions. In conclusion, I have talked about the social advantages and increased safety that would come with the lower drinking age, as well as comparing ours to that of other countries. These 3 main points support my purpose, which is why lowering the minimum legal drinking age from 21 to 18 is a good decision. Thanks for listening, and I'd love to hear back from you guys with any questions, concerns, or comments. My email is in the link below.